just here at the Copart, the first time car right here, and this is something start. I'm looking a couple of cars and we're gonna bid on them and see which one I'm gonna win, and I'm gonna try to fix them. And alright guys, so this is the second car I'm looking at. This is also Honda Accord and it was flood damage. This window is broken, a little bit scratches here and there and dings right here. So let's see if it starts up. Quite dirty from inside. Yeah, it does not seem like it's gonna. Does not seem like it's gonna start. I think. So it's not starting. So let's see what this is. And it's quite dirty also. I don't know how much it was in the flood. That's what I hear. I don't know if it's a starter. Or something else. Alright, that's good. So yeah, it does not start. Does not look terribly bad, but everything lights up inside and does turn on, but it's just doing these noises. So we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned guys. So this is the third car that I'm looking at today. This is a CRV and it looks in decent shape. I don't know why it's here. Looks like somebody was smoking in here. Smells like smoke. The airbag deployed on the front, not the other one. And yeah, let's see, it looks pretty clean to me. Alright, it does not turn on at all. So let's just open the hood and see what's the condition. Alright, looks in pretty decent shape, but it does not have no power at all. So let's just start this up and see what's the sound like. Let me see. Oil looks very low. And it does have transmission L2. This 2011, same as the one I already have. Alright, I'm gonna need a battery. Starter.
That's 3 for 3.
Yep, that's 3 for 3. Let's see how it starts up or not. So yeah, that's the third one, and we'll see how it goes. This is the same car that I have. The only thing is this is a base model, and let's see if we can get this one. Bit loud. Does rev higher than expected. Well, let's just see how the AC is. AC is cold. Yeah, AC is cold. Let's see if the windows work. Yep. Yep, the windows work. This is how it sounds like. Let me open the trunk and see if this works. Yep, it does. Nice flashy rims in here. Looks clean overall, but let's see if I'm gonna win this or not. That's gonna be tight in budget because a lot of people probably already see this and gonna bid higher. Time to put this in a gear. Okay, that's sound not right. It does seem like it's just a silencer. Okay, this transmission does not seem right. It's giving a lot of jerk to the car. Yep, every time I change the gear, it does not shake because this shifter is different. But the whole car moves when I shift the gear, like it clicks. The sound okay. Looks like aftermarket exhaust. Okay, needs a radio cord here too. Wiper works. Okay, yep. That's all. So stay tuned. We'll see how it goes. I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright guys, so I'm done right now at Copart. This was my very first trip inside the Copart, and it was not that bad. I looked at like 3 cars, and 2 of them was okay, and the rest, the last one, the flood damage one, was not starting at all. It does turn on and I see lights and everything, but it does not start. It makes just a random, like a real noise, and it does not start. So let's see how it goes. But I already put some money on it, like I think it's quite higher what the cars look like. It does not start, and I honestly don't want to buy that car anymore. Well, let's see how it goes. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted for more videos if anything happen. If we got any car, I'll do let you know guys, and I'm probably gonna make some fixing videos about it. And this is something new that I was thinking for a little while to do, because a lot of repairing stuff I can do that by myself. Not like high level mechanic wise, but the small stuff, maybe front bumper, back bumper, tail lights, headlights, oil change, brake change, something like that, you know, spark plugs. So we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned for the more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.